Okay, if you're like me who spends 8 to 10 hours sitting every single day and you already have started noticing pain in your shoulders, stiffness in your neck, or that constant lower back discomfort, then honestly, the problem is not your laptop or your desk, it's your chair. Most chairs are simply not designed for long working hours. So today let's find out whether the Stylux Ergonomic office chair from the Sleep company can actually help with comfort and pain relief, or it's just another product with good marketing. But before that guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. Starting off with the unboxing experience. The chair comes in large box. Packaging is decent, nothing premium or fancy, but everything was packed securely and safely. Most of the major components comes pre-assembled, which is a good thing, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. The setup process actually is quite simple and it takes around 15 to 20 minutes if you're doing yourself using the included tool. And if you don't want to deal with the installation at all, the Sleep company also provides a free installation service, which I opted for. Here the seat uses the Sleep company's smart grid technology, which is actually designed to distribute pressure evenly across the surface. And in real usage, this actually makes a difference. The biggest advantage is here the balance. The seat is not too soft where you sink in and lose support, and it's not too hard where it becomes uncomfortable after a while. It sits right in the middle, which makes it suitable for long working hours. If you're someone who spends hours editing, coding, or just sitting continuously, this seat is definitely more comfortable than most standard chairs. Coming to the back support, this chair does a pretty solid job overall. You get a S-shaped backrest which naturally aligns with your spine, and along with that there's an adjustable Spine Pro lumbar support system. There's also a knob at the back that allows you to adjust the lumbar support based on your preference. This is actually useful because not everyone sits the same way, and having that flexibility helps you fine-tune the support. If you already experience back pain, neck stiffness, or shoulder fatigue, this chair can definitely help you improve sitting posture over the time. It's not an instant fix, but it's a noticeable improvement compared to your normal chair. Another big advantage here is the mesh back design. Since it allows a proper airflow, your back doesn't get sweaty during long sessions, which is especially important in our weather condition. You also get a cushion headrest that is height adjustable, so you can position it according to your neck and get better support when you lean back. In terms of features, the chair offers everything that most users would need. It supports a recline range from around 90 degree to 135 degree, and you also get a multi-lock mechanism. You can lock it in different angles depending on your comfort. Height adjustment works smoothly, and the armrests are adjustable as well. You can move them up and down, and also forward and backward, and they are 4D adjustable armrests. Now coming to the seat height, the minimum height of this chair is slightly on the lower side compared to many other gaming chairs, which actually makes it more practical and usable for a wider range of users. The chair also comes with BIFMA and ISO certification, along with a class 4 gas lift, which basically ensures that it meets safety and durability standards for long-term usage. Now let's talk about the things that could have been better because this chair is not perfect. First one is the armrest padding. This could have been slightly softer. During long usage, it feels slightly harder, which reduces the overall comfort a bit, and that's the case with most of the chairs. Second, the build quality is mostly good, but in few places I noticed small finishing issues and slight marks. Also, some parts of padding did not feel very tightly fixed, but overall these felt like a minor one-off issues that most users probably won't notice in daily use. Another issue is the armrest alignment. By default, they feel slightly lifted from the front, which makes them feel a bit uneven. One more thing which I noticed, and that's related to the tilt mechanism. Since the backrest is attached to the bottom frame as a single unit, so when you lean back, the entire chair slightly lifts along with you. It's not a major issue, but it doesn't feel very confidence inspiring. Talking about the pricing, so this chair is usually available at around 15,999, although the listed MRP is much higher and you'll often see discounts on it. This places in the mid-premium office chair category. So the final question, should you buy it? See guys, if your main priority is comfort, especially for long working hours, then this chair is definitely worth considering. It provides better posture support than most regular or gaming chairs and can help reduce strain over time. However, if you are someone who expects top-notch build quality and perfect finishing, then you might notice a few compromises here. Overall, this is a comfort-focused chair that delivers where it matters the most, but it does cut some corners in the build quality. If that trade-off works for you, you can check it out. Links are given in the description below. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh.